How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What does the term egress window refer to? The answer is a window large enough for emergency escape. Which type of subfloor is most resistant to moisture? The answer is cement board. Which type of insulation offers the best performance in tight cavities? The answer is spray foam. What type of pipe is most commonly used for modern residential water supply lines? The answer is PEX. What's the maximum spacing between balusters on a residential stair railing? The answer is 4 inches. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.